you only take about the top layer, so you don't hit any of the grass.
The fresh stuff?
Yeah. After getting about a full bowl of snow, because it'll be melting after we put some of the ingredients in. So next we will need some sugar. It depends on what you like. If you really like sweet stuff, like me and my personality, you can do a lot of sugar, like this size. Or if you're in a cranky mood, you can have this. Okay. So let me scoop this. So this is extra sweet, not so sweet. And then there is the person in the middle. You don't know what he is. What we have to add is vanilla. It depends on how much ice you have. Like I have a lot, so you put more in. And this, you see, this is imitation vanilla. It tastes exactly the same, but if you had regular vanilla, it'd be like, what, 10 times as much of the price. Now it looks like poop. You're wondering why I have this much snow for 2 people. Well, after this next part, once I add milk, then it'll be good enough for just 2 people. You see? It's melting quickly. If you see right here, the hole. And that's just after a little bit. You need to put a little bit more. You need to make it creamy. A gallon left, and you see now it's empty because we got a lot of snow and we need it to all soak in. It's supposed to be kind of like a slushie, but after a while, it will be basically just like an ice cream.
Are you really supposed to put the spoon right back in there?
I didn't even touch it. I was like,
You sure?
do you see anything on my nose? And then Minnie wants some mini nuggets. See, it's kind of looking actually like an applesauce. That's when it's about ready. You just need to mix for a while. So this is the end result of the snow cream. Still kind of a slushy. And it's basically the taste of all the ingredients. If you don't like it, add more of it if you want until you like it. So the ingredients are snow, sugar, vanilla. Recommend the imitation vanilla because it's cheaper. And milk, just empty. And that is all.